Creepers, die. Oh, I did a thing. Yes, I built a creeper farm. But wait, there's more! Bamboo! And, wrong way. Okay, bamboo and sugarcane. And, yeah. Just pop down here, little cart that goes around. Sorting system. They're mostly empty because I already grabbed it. But wait, there's more. And last but not least, an iron farm. Yeah, I've been busy. And I forgot to hit record a few times, so let me show you what I did get. I'm sorry. So as you can see here, I did the sugarcane and bamboo farm. Pretty good. Pretty quick. Super easy. Simple. I had to change a few things here and there, but ultimately I got it done. After a week later, I finally got the iron farm built out. This took me a while because I had it gassed at first, and then a trident boy killed him. So eventually I had to use blocks to get the rest of the villagers and the zombies into the farm. But it was a fun build, and I'm glad I finally got it done. So there it is. Oh, hi zombie. Oh, I named him Zombroni. Anyway, there's a zombie in each one, 3 villagers, panics, and eventually Iron Golem spawn. They're panicking. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Iron Golem radar. Anything? Anyone? Anywhere? Beep, 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 beep. What is going on? Come on. Where are you? Okay, this thing actually works really well. I don't know where they are.
One eternity later.
Oh! Okay. There he is. Alrighty. Let's go. Anyway, there you have it. Bamboo, sugarcane, iron, creeper. I don't typically build these kinds of farms for myself, so I was pretty happy with them. However, moving on, back to base. Okay, we're back at base. And, well, let me show you. To be honest, I've been procrastinating this episode. And it's because I've been doing a lot of resource gathering for an upcoming event build right here on the SMP server. The vanilla extract server. I'm still here. But all these shulkers, somewhat color-coded, is my collection of sorts for all the various things I will need. Now, what am I building? I'm gonna have to hop in my solo world for this, so let's do it. And here we are to my solo test world builds. This is not the vanilla extract server seed, but it's just I wanted something natural to build on rather than flat world. And there in the back you can see my test build for the farms. Cool. Anyway, behind the camera in front of me is what I'll be building on the server for the events. 3, 2, 1. Oop. There it is in all of its gloriousness. What is it? It will be a hide and seek. Now, I'm not going to give you a tour today, but eventually I might show you a little bit around on the inside. Excuse me, pig, rude. My shot. Yeah, keep walking. Anyway, later on I'll show you some of the hides. Not today. Another episode. We'll see. But that's it. All that resource gathering has been for this big build. Now, I'll just do a quick fly around to show you just kind of how big it is. It actually was bigger, hence all of this space here. But to bring it down, make it a little more compact, and save some space, this is what we've got. I'm super excited. Can't wait to start building it. I've got almost everything I need. And then once it's done, everybody can play hide and seek for the events. Yay! Back to the server. Alrighty. I'm going to slow down real quick. I do realize that I've been moving pretty fast. I think. Maybe. But I'm learning, and one of these days I'll figure out what works for me. So to end this video, I also wanted to show you my plans for the builds on my base area. As I'm in a mesa, it's a little hard, but I had a really cool idea, and that's why I chose where I wanted to go. So let's quickly fly to the other side of this hill. So we'll go a little farther out. I think I went the wrong way. Yes, I did. Oopsie. There we go. This way. Okay. As you can see here, my base is just on the other side of that hill. And this is a pretty cliffside alley waterway. I'm going to flatten this down a little bit. Bring it in. Close it up. Same thing here. Flatten it out. Bring it out. And basically, I'm going to redesign, in my own way, Venice, Italy. But there's a twist. There's going to be floating boats. As if the water level for Venice has gone so far down that they had to make flying boats just to keep the aesthetic. Will that work? I don't know. But we're going to try it anyway. So, let's see. Basically, along here and going along the cliffside. Boop. Boop. Like that. Like that. We'll even drop it down a little bit. And then maybe we'll have actual boats. I don't know. But I'm also going to do it on the same other side too. Ooh, oh. Hello, cave. I'm pretty sure I knew you were there. Night vision. No. Okay. Ah! Okay. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Come on. There we go. Whoop. Oops. Alright. So we'll go from here. Maybe something like that. Fly it across. And like I said, I gotta go this way. I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. Maybe clean it up. And then we'll go from there. But that is my plan for this area. Basically a dried out desert where Venice, Italy used to be. But there can be flying boats. I'll probably cover that up. We'll see. I don't know. But if I'm honest, this is going to be a very long project. Because the hide and seek build is kind of a little more important to me, I think. I've been thinking more about my Minecraft and the things I like to do. And I like to create puzzles. So, I'm going to start trying to learn more redstone. And maybe create some escape rooms. Hopefully, they'll be server friendly. And then I can build one on this server too. Oh, hello. Wrong button. But there you go. All the things I did. Iron farm, creeper farm, bamboo and sugarcane. I got all my stuff ready for the hide and seek build. And I plan to make more server friendly escape rooms and hide and seek. And then build little Venice, Italy in a mesa. That is the plan for my server this year. My plans for this server this year. Wow, our words are hard. And we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.